Stay tuned to see how I created this wood shim art. To begin, you take your piece of cardboard outside and using any color spray paint of your choice, you'll just take and do a couple of light coats. I use this metallic gold. Next, you're going to take this color wash tint in the color Old Bronze, and you're going to simply paint your wood shims. I just wanted to try to show you guys how glittery this is. Now, you know I normally add glitter to everything. Using this color wash tint, I don't have to because it's already in there. And that is why I chose to spray paint my cardboard gold, because it's going to match the accent color and glitter in this color wash tint. A couple of layers is all you need. The more layers you add, the darker it gets. You guys, look at this shine. Oh, so good. You'll do the same thing with your other set of shims using the color wash tint Weathered Copper. Again, you guys, look at how the glitter is and how it shines. Like, it's just ridiculous how good they made this color wash tint. I've used this once before and I had kind of forgot that I had it, and so that's why when I was going through my supplies, I found it and I was like, oh, this is perfect for this project. Again, look at that shine, you guys, and that shine stays once it dries. Once all your shims have dried, again, you guys can see the glitter from here. Like, it's so amazing. But once they all dry and you have the level of intensity of color that you want, look at that, man. And the other thing I like about this is that it really shows the grain of the wood. So nice. So once you finish with everything being dried, you're going to just arrange your shims how you're going to want your design to be. I'm doing every other color, matching the fat ends to the end of the cardboard. And once you do that, you'll add hot glue to each shim, gluing it into place. Make sure that you guys wear gloves when you are painting your shims, because that weathered copper definitely stains your fingers. I have blue fingers still. So like I said, once you get the pattern that you want for your shims, you're just going to take hot glue, add it to the back of each shim, and hot glue it into place. You can do any type of pattern that you want. I did this staggered stack pattern because it's what I thought looked nice. It does still show the gold cardboard in the back, and of course, if you wanted to fill those spaces in, you most definitely can. You can customize this up to how you want it to look, but I did leave the gold cardboard to show, just to kind of highlight the accent of the gold sparkles in the color wash tint. Once you get everything glued in, you'll just leave it to dry for a few moments. Hot glue dries pretty fast, so that part won't take too long. Just to show you what I did at the top, because the shims did not necessarily cover the whole top, I staggered adding my last couple of pieces. So one I glued pretty much next to my second to last shim, and then I added hot glue to another shim, and then I staggered it on top. So whereas I was going one by one next to each other, when I got to the top and also at the bottom, I went ahead and glued one on top of the other, leaving the fat ends of the shims on opposite sides. And this board was not perfect, but I actually liked that. It added character to this project to me. And of course, lastly, you want to add your hanger for your piece of art. I'm using just some malleable wire that I had around. It's in this color green, but I don't think it's going to clash with the colors of the actual project. And you'll just add hot glue to both sides on the back, kind of flooding the pieces of wire, and let it dry. And here is the finished Wood Shim Art. I really like how it came out. I think the colors are intriguing. The gold accents, of course, you guys know I love anything sparkly. And the great thing is, if you put this anywhere near a light source, it will shimmer and sparkle, as you can see. That's what I really love about that color wash tint. It's very vibrant, the colors are great, and it adds a really pretty shimmer to the wood that you're going to paint. Look at the detail, you guys. Oh, so good. You can hang this anywhere that you want an interesting abstract art piece. I got the idea of this from Pinterest. They actually had projects and pieces of art that look like this going for $199, you guys. So I wanted to put my own spin on it, and this is what I came up with. What do you guys think? How did I do? Leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's video. I do apologize for not getting a video out last week. I'm working on this really big project and I have hit a few snags. So hopefully, if everything goes right, I will be able to finish that project up this week and it will be out next week. But don't hold me to it. If it's not that one, you will get a different video. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, share this with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, love you guys. Bye.